Looking for the best random orbital sander but don't know which one to pick? Stick around, we're ranking 5 top models from worst to best so you can find the right tool without wasting your time or money. Let's kick things off with a budget-friendly option, the BLACK+DECKER BLACK+DECKER 100. It lands at the bottom of our list, but that doesn't mean it's a bad tool, just that it's the most basic. If you're just dipping your toes into sanding or need something for small, quick jobs around the house, this one gets it done. It comes with a 2-amp motor and a single speed setup spinning at 12,000 orbits per minute. Simple, straightforward, and easy to use. It's light enough to maneuver easily, and the hook and loop sanding pad system makes swapping discs a breeze. It's especially great for beginners who want a no-fuss experience. But here's the catch. The power is on the lower end, and there's no variable speed. That means you won't get much control over different surfaces. The dust collection is limited to a small bag and doesn't hook up to a vacuum. It gets the job done, but with a few compromises compared to other models. This one's best suited for occasional users, like DIYers or anyone just getting started. And by the way, if you're interested in any of the sanders featured in today's video, you'll find the best prices linked for you down below in the description. Next up, we've got the DEKOPRO, and this one is a bit of a surprise package. It's a step up from the BLACK+DECKER in terms of features, especially thanks to its variable speed control and slightly more powerful motor. With speeds ranging all the way to 14,000 OPM, it offers more flexibility for different materials and tasks. You also get a solid set of accessories right out of the box, including 16 sanding discs. That's a lot of value for the price. It even handles heat dissipation pretty well, which helps protect the motor over time. But it's not perfect. At nearly 3.7 pounds, it's heavier than most competitors, which might tire your hands during long sessions. Also, the dust collection relies on a basic bag and lacks a true vacuum port. Lastly, the warranty info is unclear, and that's something we always pay attention to. If you want more control without spending big and don't mind the extra weight, this could be a great pick. Also, if you're enjoying this breakdown, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more hands-on tool reviews. Coming in strong at number 3 is the CRAFTSMAN. This sander brings real muscle with a powerful 3-amp motor. That's the highest on the list so far, while keeping things lightweight and easy to handle. You don't get variable speed here, but the fixed 12,000 OPM is smooth and efficient enough for most jobs. Plus, it's got a solid dust management system. Not only does it include a dust bag, but it also hooks up to a standard vacuum hose for better cleanup. That makes a big difference if you're sanding indoors. The only thing holding it back? That lack of speed control. If you're working with delicate surfaces, it might be too aggressive. But overall, it's reliable, well-built, and backed by a 3-year warranty, which is longer than most. Ideal for weekend warriors or homeowners looking for a dependable tool with real power under the hood. Let's move on to a crowd favorite from a brand that needs no introduction. At number 2, the Dewalt gives you professional grade quality at a mid-range price. It's built tough, performs consistently, and stays comfortable in your hand, even during long sanding jobs. The model uses a powerful 3-amp motor and features a shorter height, allowing you to get closer to your work surface. Plus, the ergonomic design with a soft rubber grip and low vibration setup makes it easy to control. Dust control is solid too, with a locking bag and vacuum adapter included. The downside? Like the CRAFTSMAN, it doesn't offer variable speed. That's really the only area where it falls behind our top pick. Still, everything else about the sander, from its build to its feel, screams quality. If you're a serious DIYer or a pro looking for a reliable tool that performs day in and day out, this one's a strong contender. But if you want even more control and cleaner results, the best is still to come. Finally, taking the top spot is the Bosch, and honestly, this sander checks all the right boxes. It combines power, control, and dust management in one well-balanced package. With variable speed between 7,500 and 12,000 OPM, you can fine-tune your sanding for everything from rough shaping to delicate finish work. The included microfiltered dust canister is one of the best in its class, and you also get a vacuum adapter for shop-level cleanliness. Plus, it also comes with a soft carry bag and all the accessories you'll need to get started. The only real downside, it's a bit heavier than some of the other models on our list. But considering what you get, including Bosch's signature build quality and comfort, that's a trade-off most users will gladly accept. This is the sander for serious users who care about finish quality, comfort, and long-term value. If you want the best, the Bosch delivers, no question. If you want to check out any of the sanders we covered today, all the links are down in the description. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more real-world reviews. See you in the next one.